jacket. Ayaw, anak ko.
Hi. Ricky May.
Hi.
You attending your dad's award, right?
Yeah, oo. Bibigay
For
siya ng parang
lifetime achievement, I guess?
I think parang for yung mga yumako, they're giving their one year.
Excuse me po. Kita ko sa... Boss, okay lang move na kami. Move kayo kanta. Boss, kita kayo sa... Okay na pa move na kami. Excuse lang po. Okay, last 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. Last one. Good. Kamusta na kayo and the family after what happened with ma'am?
I think we're all just taking it a day at a time.
Hard pa rin, pero we're leaning on each other. Going through it together.
Ma'am, anong feeling na bibigyan po ng special award ngayon si Posthumous Award si Sherry?
Actually, bittersweet siya kasi we're happy that we're honoring my mom and Ricky. Pero syempre, it's sad at the same time kasi they're not with us anymore. But we're very grateful because they're being honored, their achievements, what they stood for. And family affair na siya actually.
Kasi sila Janine nandito lang. Janine also. May cousin dyan. Sige.
Nandiyan din sila ngayon.
Yes, meron din sila. Meron sila po.
Ano araw, before parang nag-trending ka dahil sa Batang Quiapo. Oo, your character there. So parang, ano pa yung mga next project na or teleserye na aabangan sa'yo?
May mga sinod ako na guesting pero hindi ba pwedeng, hindi ba lumalabas na Pero yun, congrats to Makoy, by the way.
Yes.
On his iconic exit.
Yes.
Yeah, siya nagpahirap sa'yo eh.
I know, pero feeling nila.
Na parang nakakaganti ka na.
I know.
Ma'am, how does it feel na yung mga anak nyo is making their own niche in the business
Well,
right
I'm
now?
very happy that they follow our footsteps, that they're making a name of their own, di ba? I'm just happy na kasi ngayon, yung mga conversations namin are not just about family, but it's also about the stuff that we do, how we can help each other.
Ano po yung mga payo naman yung binibigay sa kanila when it comes to their career?
It's always just to always be on time.
Same as pa.
Yeah, to be good people, at aralin ng mabuti yung trabaho nila, and to do the best that they can. I think more than anything.
Thank you. Maraming salamat po. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you. Salamat.
Ladies and gentlemen, Thank you very much to the Guillermo Memorial Foundation Awards for this honor that you've given my mom. I'm asked, even in the past, because meron na rin pong ibang tributes na nabigay. I always say it's such an honor because you have recognized the achievements of my mom, her contribution to not only the Philippine entertainment but also in other parts of the world. But I always say it's bittersweet because that means she's not with us anymore. But I'd like to thank you for giving this award on behalf of my family. Maraming salamat in this difficult time. This eases our pain a bit, and I hope that you remember my mom for everything that she has done. And if you have known my mom personally or not personally, kung ano man po yung natutunan niyo sa kanya, continue to give her honor by sharing what you have learned from her. Thank you, Homer, for making such a beautiful piece for everybody. Thank you so much, and I want to thank Vina Morales for singing so beautifully my mom's song. Thank you, Vina, and to everybody. Maraming salamat. On behalf of my family, thank you very much.
Multi-awarded TV and film actor, Ricky Davao.
Accepting the award for Ricky Davao are his daughters, Ara and Ricky May Davao.
For honoring our dad. Alam po namin na for his whole life, talagang minahal po niya ang industriya natin. At kahit last year, may mga nararamdaman na siyang sakit sa katawan and eventually nagka-problema na po talaga sa health niya. Hanggat kinaya po niya, pumunta pa rin po siya sa mga taping, shooting, rehearsals para sa last musical na ginawa niya. At kahit hindi na niya natapos lahat yon, I know that if kinaya lang ng katawan niya at ng health niya, he will give his 100%, more than 100%.
Yes, maraming salamat po. Actually, bago po kami umakyat, nakikipagpustahan po kami kung sino ang iiyak. So, ako po yun. Ako yung natalo, by the way. Pero maraming salamat po. Just looking out at the audience at lalo na yung mga nakatrabaho ni Papa. Alam po namin na hindi siya makakalimutan because he will live through each of you sa lahat ng mga proyekto na ginawa nyo. And he will continue to live through the craft that he loves and the craft that he taught us to love. So maraming salamat po. It's an honor to be here to receive this for our dad. And for those who don't know, his last performance was actually on this stage for his last musical, which was A Silver Lining. So it's like we're sharing the stage with him. So Dad, we love you so much and maraming salamat po.